So pretty good ride quality out of this van. And pretty decent overall drive quality so far. No clunking from the transmission. Pretty easy to find that sweet spot for you to accelerate. No weird or quirky noises. And I think the Grand Caravan, especially something like this trim level, is really for someone who is wanting something that's pretty inexpensive to maintain and fix, and something that will get your light handyman work done without a problem. And then of course, if you have kids, it serves a dual purpose. But you get basically the basics. So backup camera, power driver seat, cruise control. Yeah, the ride is overall pretty smooth. And road noise is minimal. You have to actually try and listen for it to hear it. And actually has quite a bit of punch when you put your foot down. And it's nice that it's able to accelerate like that. Really great. And this ride quality is really good on the interstate. And the wind noise, even though I think it's blowing at about 20 miles an hour today, it's not intrusive at all. Especially compared to other vehicles in the segment. So really impressive there. And I really like the braking power as well. But this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SC Plus.